We have a loan of 9 medieval manuscript books from a rare book firm called Les Luminaires. They started an initiative called Manuscripts in the Curriculum. So what the lender wanted was for this collection, this loan, to be used in the classroom. So it's really a wonderful experience for the students to actually get to see actual artifacts from the Middle Ages.
In order to make the manuscript, they had to first fabricate the parchment or the vellum. They had to make the inks. They had to make the quills. So just an incredible amount of work, especially for the more decorated manuscripts.